after 5 days of red, 5 days of straight drop, it finally rebounded yesterday. Okay, so actually today, I think today, let me check. I think today has another data coming out. I think it's what PPI, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so actually today, China there has CPI and PPI announcement. I mean data, and then during night around 9:30 p.m., the US side also has PPI. So if the PPI is let's see how's the PPI is. Yeah, because PPI is usually like CPI sentiment, the whole US market sentiment. But from the technical analysis look of it, it is supported at the purple color support which I drew and then rebounded twice after it hits here. If we broke down, then we really can see around triple bottom or even lower. So I hope not. But currently it's still consolidating, just consolidating sideways. It's still unsure of going anywhere. And for the Dow Jones, yeah, it's exactly the same. It's still consolidating sideways, and then it hit support and then rebounded. So I hope that this will burst the market, but don't hope too much, because the KLCI, you can see that it's actually going sideways. You can see that although it's dropping, it's actually going sideways. All of the stocks is unsure and slowly dropping. So the KLCI or Bursa market actually has not shown any real theme or any direction yet, whether they want to go up or go down. So yeah, market wanted to sell down. So it's either push up or sell down. So sideways for 2 to 3 days already. You can say for 2 to 3 days at right here, unsure of going anywhere. The movement is really small, not like this area. But like this area have a big sell down, or this area has a big rebound, or here. So it's like slowly consolidating, and yeah, it's unsure of going anywhere. So, but today is a Friday market, so I really don't expect much from today, because from the 2 to 3 days back, it's overall bearish. Everything is selling down and going sideways, and volume is really low. I mean, not volume, the value. The volume is quite high because of the penny stock keeps on churning. And every penny stock is trying, but at the end, the value is really low. So it's still a weak market, meaning that only like the syndicates are trying to push the penny stocks, but unfortunately they can't, because they don't have any followers, the retailers trying to eat up. So overall, it's still a bearish market. So you guys and me need to be careful on this market. That's why I'm being a bit defensive here, because like I keep on saying, it's a small bull run in the overall bearish market. So if it suddenly induces sells up, so let's see how they are going to do later. I think quite a lot is trying to gap up, but the gap up is not strong. Like DATAPRP, the volume is really low only. DATAPRP, we actually look for like 2 to 3 days already. Yeah. So US, although US are, yeah, because US side is strong, because US side, the Nasdaq and US 30 is strong, we might can look at tech today. For example, like Dufu, like JF Tech, like JHM, all those stocks. We might can have a look on it, because they are waiting and consolidating sideways. So let's see if they can push it up today. But try not to go in too many positions, because PPI is coming out today, and today is Friday, and the sentiment might be weaker than yesterday. Yeah, the whole market might be even weaker than yesterday. So let's look at our watch list first. So okay, the first one and second one is actually the same DATAPRP as SEDANIA. It still does not change much. Just that there will be no momentum if DATAPRP did not break up. But towards the end, in the morning, he slams down and consolidates around 29 cents to 29.5 cents. But towards the end, he pushed back up to around 31.5 cents. But unfortunately, the momentum did not go through, and then he slams back all the way to 30.5 cents and closed it there. So we still need the momentum to push it up, especially to push it up above this 31.5 cents. You need to break this immediate resistance first. And then this 33 cents need to break out, yeah, in order to reach around 35 cents. And this SEDANIA also, SEDANIA just followed the DATAPRP. And the side counters for DATAPRP is actually SEDANIA and JETSON. JETSON is also one of it, which is trying to break out for JETSON. But JETSON is a little bit thick. So if you wanted a faster one but also riskier one, it's DATAPRP. But DATAPRP, yeah, will do today. Okay, the next one is larger because it's a small tag. Yeah, it retraces yesterday. Let's see today if have any movement, because he might go consolidates first. Like I said, you can see it broke out and then going back and retest. So if he can hold, he can go and retest 62.5 cents. If he can hold above here, this breakout. And also this downtrend resistance and support area. So at this area, if he can hold above 59, 58 cents like that, then he might go and retest 60 cents. If 60 cents break out, then he might go and retest the high, the recent high around 62.5 cents to 62 cents. Okay, so next one is PCCS. PCCS, okay, this PCCS, it's not quite a good closing. If he close at here, if did not have this shadow, it would be the best, but it's not quite a good closing. But it's still okay because he did not close above here. He did not close above here, but he did close above this EMA 60. So if he can hold above here, then it will be great for him to reach around 58 to 60 cents. But overall, he tests and retraces. He needs to send above this 52.5 cents to 53 cents in order for him to go up again. Okay, so I expect this might be maybe 3 to 4 days thing. If it's strong enough, it doesn't seem that strong to me currently because it did not close at high. When the momentum comes at 55 cents, okay, the next one should be ORGABIO. Okay, so if this is the first day breakout. Okay, so let's see if today has some continuation. If the sentiment is good, and he can stand above this 34 cents, he might retest 38 cents. After 38 cents to 38.5 high, around 40 cents to 42 cents. Let's see if the momentum continues to keep up. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Zach here. If you like my videos and want more contents like this, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and trade well.